Welcome to the project demonstration of smart meter for a grid monitoring system. So in this project, the main features, we can monitor the loads which are connected over here. The status of the load, nothing but how much of voltage is going from these sockets, along with the current, power, energy consumed, power factor value and frequency. Total 6 parameters continuously monitored on the LCD screen, and the same data will be sent to the ThinkSpeak using cloud platform to monitor it, and we can access the data from anywhere in the world continuously. So here main components we are using in this project is Arduino Nano board, which is getting input from this PZEM module. So from there we are going to get in the 6 parameters continuously using serial communication, and the data will be sent continuously monitored by this Nano board on the LCD screen, and the same data will be sent to the ThinkSpeak with the help of this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So major components: Arduino Nano board, PZEM, 100 amps of current can be measured from this module, and 16:2 LCD screen along with the driver board, and ESP8266, and this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply to the all of the modules, input output modules. And this one is a toroid ring. Through this we are going to provide the output to the our 3-pin sockets. So on that one, whatever the current was consumed by that load will be measured by this toroid ring, and which was connected to the PZEM module directly. And this is the regulated power supply board, which will take 230 volts AC inputs. This is the main input power supply to the box, and it will provide us a 5 volts DC output. So that is operating voltage of our modules. So here we have interfaced the LCD at pin number 2 to 7, and ESP8266 at pin number 0 and 1, and PZEM module at pin number 8 and 9. So they are the main inputs and outputs of the project. So let us see the demonstration. So here, before demonstration, first of all we need to enable the hotspots. Using the hotspot and data only, the system will upload the data to the ThinkSpeak. So for that, just configure the hotspot name to project 7189 without any space, without any capital letter. Password 129 123 456 789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After this, enable the hotspots along with the data, and log into the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. There we can see our channel power monitoring. Click on that. There we get the previously tested and collected data. So there the previous data. When we click on that, we can get the date and time and what is the value over there. Okay, and the field 1 is the voltage, field 2 is the current, field 3 is the how much of power is connected to that, and how much of energy was consumed. There is a kWh, and there is a wattage of the loads, and this is a frequency, and this is the one of power factor value. Okay, this 6 parameters continuously plotted on this ThinkSpeak. So if you want to erase the old data, and we can download the data also. So for downloading the data, go to data import export, and in that download the data. So it will be downloaded in Excel sheet format, and we can open that in Excel sheet only. So that consists of date sample at which we have collected the data. So along with the date and time, right? So date and time it consists of, and next how many samples till now collected. So the entry ID is how many samples till now collected. Total we have collected the 53 samples, and the first one is we discussed the voltage, current, power, energy, frequency, and power factor value. So the variables continuously monitor into the ThinkSpeak, and those we have calculated already, right? And after you took the backup, then you can erase the data. So before erasing the data, please check you download the data or not. So then only do clear channel. Clear channel. Don't delete the channel, only clear the channel. So once data got cleared, go to private view. There you get the data got erased. Now you can on the power supply. So as we discussed on the power supply before, after the hotspot and data on, so then a welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. So as of now, the voltage, current, power, and energy consumed, the readings, and power factor value, frequency value. So as of now, frequency is 50, and the voltage is 245.70. There's a real time value directly which is getting from the grid, and there is no load connected till now. That's why power and power factor value and current energy is 0. So right, we got this data. So data will be uploaded from the system to the ThinkSpeak for every 15 seconds of duration. Before 15 seconds only, we can get the data continuously to this ThingSpeak Cloud Platform. We can see the data, right? We got again the second sample. So this data can be accessed from anywhere in the world directly. Now just we are on the load. So the load we are using is a 100 watts of bulb we are using here. So we can see the 100 watts of load is connected to the system. Now we can see the power is 114.80 watts and current is 0.47 and frequency is 50 only, and the power factor value is 1. As we are using the resistive load, that's why it's a unity power factor. So we got the samples here directly, right? Frequency and the power factor value raised to 1. The energy is still 0 because it will take some time to be added the load values to this one. Right, now we got the 0.01. That's the kilowatt hour of power consumption was done by this load. So we can connect up to 100 amps of load to the system to measure the current and power from the 3-pin sockets. Right, thank you.